everyone! Welcome to a review video with Kim Tech. My name is Kim. Today we'll be reviewing the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro mesh system after having been using it for 1 month. This feedback is from my personal experience, so it may be different from yours. All links will be in the description box below along with timestamps so you can skip to the section you want. If you haven't seen my unboxing video, I'll include it down below as well. Let's start out with the environment the setup is in. Our house is 2,264 square feet with a secondary floor. There are a total of 15 devices connected at once and probably 3 devices streaming all at the same time. We bought the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro 4-pack from Costco for $349.99. So rounding that up to be $350. And it advertises that it can cover up to 2,200 square feet per unit. So with 4 units, that'll be 8,800 square feet of coverage and support up to 100 devices. So the specs check off our requirements. This 4-pack comes with 4 identical units with 2 gigabit Ethernet port on the back, so any one of them can be the main router. This sucks. Okay, you got my review, show's over. Just kidding, don't leave. It's not over yet. Can't have you guys hanging without knowing why this router sucks. Let's get on with the real review. So why did we get this router? We returned the TP-Link because of its security issue, and I really didn't want to set up a firewall for my home network. The Nest Wi-Fi Pro is cheaper than the Netgear Orbi at Costco, and it is on the newer technology of Wi-Fi 6E. So we thought, why not? We don't want to spend more money just for branding if they work, right? This review is going to be split into 3 parts. First is going to be setup. Second is connectivity, which includes speed and consistency. And the third is going to be my overall thoughts on the Nest Wi-Fi Pro. I don't know about others who have set up the Nest Wi-Fi Pro, but I was annoyed by the end of setting up the main router and 2 satellite units. Maybe I was spoiled from having the chance to set up the TP-Link Deco AXE5300 before this, because that was a breeze in comparison to this giant pebble. While setting up the Deco put me in awe of how easy and hands-off it was, the Nest Wi-Fi Pro required me to be next to the device and tapping through each screen of the setup. As part of the setup, it scans the QR code at the bottom of each device, which was the quickest part of the entire process. I didn't even set up the last router until weeks later when the connectivity issue was starting to creep its little head. We strictly used Wi-Fi and didn't test the wire backhaul because our home is currently not capable of it. The good thing about the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro is that it uses Wi-Fi 6E standard, which allows Wi-Fi to use the 6 GHz spectrum, giving it a true tri-band connectivity. The 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz instead of the split 5 GHz-1 for the lower channel and 5 GHz-2 for the upper channel. This means that your router will simultaneously establish 3 separate connections, one on the 2.4 GHz band, 5 GHz, and another one on the 6 GHz band, dramatically reducing network congestion and giving you much faster speeds, but at the cost of a reduced range for the 6 GHz spectrum. Although our home is 2,264 square feet, we actually have to use all 4 units. So you know what that means, right? The claim of covering up to 2,200 square feet per unit is highly exaggerated. When we set up 1 main router and 2 satellite units, we should have had 6,600 square feet of coverage, which should be more than enough because that's like 3 times the square footage of our home. But no, that was not the case. We got so much lag and drop My backyard camera dropped multiple times during the week, and the husband started his little commentary of saying, "Why was it so slow?" Our home is pretty open, so we don't have a lot of walls like most homes, so saying barrier is an issue is probably not it. As for the deco, has no problem at all when we had it, and it was a 3-pack. There was only 3 cans. We ended up using all 4 Nest units and they worked just okay. The Nest Wi-Fi Pro seems to be inconsistent for us. Sometimes it works like it should, but sometimes not so much. I know that because I have cable internet, my speed heavily relies on my neighbor's usage, but dude, why is my speed on a Saturday morning at 7 a.m. 2/3 of my regular speed? There was no security concern with the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro, which was good. It is also Matter compatible, so it's prepared for future smart home integration. You do get some parental controls called Family Wi-Fi that let you apply restrictions to a device or group of devices, such as downtime or using Google's Safe Search filtering technology to automatically block access to websites containing adult content. However, it lacks customization that other routers are capable of, such as the ability to use a web portal. The Nest Wi-Fi Pro can only be managed from the Google Home app. And although the Prefer Activities tab lets you optimize router for video calling and gaming, it lacks options for assigning bandwidth priority to specific clients or applications. The Nest Wi-Fi Pro is not backward compatible with older Nest Wi-Fi or Google Wi-Fi system because it uses the 6 GHz band for backhaul, which older system cannot support. It is also not really future-proof either because it has a gigabit Ethernet port, unlike other competitors now out there that have 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports or higher. And as for my last note on this is that visually, this pebble looking thing is a bit glossy, in case that makes a difference for you. Would I recommend this product? Well, I think that the Nest Wi-Fi Pro is good for people who want to be part of the Google Home ecosystem. And if you get the 4-pack, then it's better for people with home that's under 2,264 square feet, which is the footage of my home, and under 100 connected devices, without needing anything higher than a gigabit port or much granular configuration. Other than that, this router may not be suitable for you. Hope you all find this video helpful. If you do, please click the thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to put it down below. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. Hope you have a nice day or night wherever you are, my buddies. Until next time, bye!